Hey guys, today we are back with a hit cardio and toning workout. It's a very crazy workout of 5 moves, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, and 5 sets of each. So let's get started. Let's start with a warm up. The warm up is going to prep your body for the upcoming workout. It is going to include some arm circles, then continue the arm circles for at least 45 seconds. This will help warm up your shoulder area. Then we are going to jump a lot and do a bit of ab exercises as well. So let's do some twists. This will really help opening up your core. Let's begin with the main workout. The first move, a very high intensity move, and it is front jacks. Let the arms come up your head and then go sideways. Jump with full intensity. It is a cardio move, but it is going to have a very big effect on your whole body. From your head to toe, your legs, your belly fat, your arms, everything is being hit and just targeted by this move. Move number 2, lunge jumps. People always have a love and hate relationship with lunges, but lunge jumps, they are even more hated. But do not worry guys, this move is one of the best moves that you can include in your workout. A very crazy move. Just put your legs back. Try to maintain a 90-degree angle, and it is best if you do so. As you take the lunge, take a leap and just change the leg patterns. That's it. It can get very crazy when we finish lunge jumps. The third move is even more up to it. Squat jumps to punches. A very crazy move, and I must say my favorite. Just squat to your best ability, jump and then punch it. Punch the wall beside you, punch the wall in front of you, behind you, everywhere, and just feel the energy let out of your body. Burn the most calories and break out the insecurities. This squat jump to punches position is very good and is a very high cardio move. Hope you enjoy this move guys. Whenever you finish a move guys, try your best, the best to your ability to bring the heart rate down. Not totally cool, but at least a bit. You are doing a lot of HIIT and cardio moves, and it is going to be very crazy if you do not let the heart rate come down a bit. As the heart rate comes down a bit, you will feel the productivity of the upcoming moves break through the roof and give you the maximum burn. So breathe, take some stretches and let the heart rate come down. We are back with move number 4. So you must be noticing that as we are progressing from move 1, 2, 3 and now to 4, the moves are getting a bit complicated, and it is not complicated, it is very fun to do. The fourth move is broad jumps to small jump backs. Take a large leap in front of your mat or to the front part of your floor and just take small jump backs. This is going to have a toning and conditioning effect on your legs, and all of that is important. That is the most interesting part of the whole workout. I always love breathing through my workouts. In between the breaks of any move, I take it up to me to let my arms out, stretch a bit, take a deep inhale and then exhale. It makes you feel relaxed and at peace. As the breathing comes down and as we get ready for our 5th and final move of the workout, let's be very excited guys. Move number 5, oblique crunches. Oblique crunches are very effective for your side part of the body, and it gives a very good toning to your obliques. It is very good for both the love handles and the belly fat issues that all of us face and obviously have come across at least one time in our lives. And this will help to burn those areas and burn the stubborn fat accumulated in those areas. Hope you enjoyed this move guys. Do it and enjoy the feeling of the tone in your obliques. Feel very great as you're about to finish the move number 5 and obviously your workout, considering you have done all the 5 sets of the 5 moves. All the best guys. See you again.